my god! Oh my god! Yeah! Alright guys, today we have an Audi S3 Stage 2 tuned Catless Downpipe, and we're gonna go for a POV drive in this thing. It's very rapid. It's got an intake on it, Resonator Delete, so it sounds insane and it's super duper fast. Holy! Oh my god. Oh my god.
You're being the hooligan. But this is your fucking this is dorms, by the way.
Oh, this is your A.
You're revving in front of the dorms.
Oh, I did not know that. Stage 2 Downpipe Resonator Delete Catless S3. Oh my goodness. Okay guys, are you guys ready to hear this? Holy crap! Oh my god! Oh my god! Holy crap! That is insane!
Yeah.
Oh my goodness! Yeah, let's go! Oh my goodness!
Just the POV, bro.
Bro, this is an insane car. Oh wow. S3 versus S5. Sean Cohen? This guy's doing this guy wanted to yeah! This guy wants to race.
Wait, what? What? Oh.
Cops.
Okay.
Holy crap. What a crazy time.
Okay, but he wants to race.
I'm gonna count down some focus on me.
Yeah, 30.
3?
Up to you. Wait, 6
Second.
seconds.
What?
Yo.
Yo!